going, people? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm gonna try to do this makeup tutorial while looking at you guys, but before I'm gonna put my music on the iPad and I'm gonna put some music on while I do my makeup. First, to start my makeup off, I use wipes and I just make sure my face is clean. If you guys are hearing the background noise, it's just like I'm in the basement, so sometimes it's background. My stuff already have labels, but we're gonna take this thing and I'm gonna get my eyebrow and you're gonna clean it. And what I do, I brush my eyebrow hair out. Yo, when I first heard this song, I thought like this person that was singing was Jada. I don't know why. I'm probably gonna cut out. If you guys want to play this video, let me know. For the front, you want to make it lighter. Like, don't make it so harsh. Now we're gonna go with concealer. For concealer, I think I'm gonna use two, but we're gonna use this. The label is like gone, but this is it. It's your Better Skin in the shade medium deep. As I said in the beginning, I'm not a pro. I should use it like a shade. But this is Golden Caramel from CoverGirl. I'm using that in the color. I'm not really a pro on makeup. Like, all I do is my eyebrows, and normally I don't conceal my eyebrows, but when I do it, this is how I would do it. Okay, they're saying spray. This is Elf Dewy Coconut. I recently got this because I spray a little bit on the brush. Because normally I don't set, but I usually bake my face. I wear a little bit before you start like that. Now, what I used to do before is do my whole makeup look, and then I would do, like, if I'm gonna do eyeshadow, then I would do my whole makeup and then the eyeshadow. But don't do that, because then the eyeshadow is gonna get all over your foundation and everything that you just did. So, what you wanna do is, after eyebrows, you're gonna do eyeshadow. So I'm gonna tap. And this is Wet n Wild concealer in the shade Fair Neutral. That concealer, I got it to the cut creases because you know that thing that they used to actually do the cut crease. I could never find it in the stores. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. Now we're gonna take this Pro Lux Miami palette. It's very beautiful. I got this as a gift. Like, one of my palettes I bought. See, it's really colorful. Like, a lot of colors. Pick the colors that you want. I'm just gonna wing it because as I said, I don't do eyeshadow. So we're gonna wing it. See see, I'm gonna use this one, Bohemian. So what I'm gonna do is tap, 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 tap. Pick up a lot of product with my eyelids or small. So I'm gonna try to do it looking down. This is gonna defeat the purpose of why I did the cookies. Because basically we want just, I'm not a pro. I try to do both of my eyelids at the same time. And I'm not going all the way out to the end. I'm just focusing on like this portion of my eyes. Let me show you what I'm about. Let me play this game out. You should know you're something different, cause I brought you to my house. So you breakfast on my couch. Let me take this brush. It's a defining crease brush. I think I got this from Five Below. So my brushes are either from Five Below or Shein. Yeah, real cheap. Cause I'm not wasting money on makeup. That's for sure. Cause I don't even wear makeup like that. We're gonna use this sunbathing color. This one. We're gonna use that one. But whatever. I'm gonna do that on the outer corners. I probably should have used a more vibrant color. We're gonna use this Cortito, whatever you want to say, Cortito color. We're gonna put it in that part. Giveon is my man's. I don't care what nobody says. But Giveon, I don't know why I'll be sleeping on Giveon. You guys think about, you guys could get like Morphe palettes and stuff like that. But I don't do eyeliner because it always messes up. So I don't do eyeliner. But to clean it up, you could wipe it off. Or you could wait until you do foundation. I have this CoverGirl foundation. I have that CoverGirl foundation in the shade Tawny Fluff 355 Coconut from Fit Me Maybelline New York. So I think I'm gonna use both. As I said, these are not really my shade. See you face to face, I'm thinking about the days we used to be. But I can't make a scene. And this is foundation. Oh, this one is. Which one do you guys think is more my shade? This or this? I think this. This one's a little lighter. You're gonna put a little setting spray on your face just because. I'm gonna take our cheek pro angular brush. Normally use. I don't know why I chose to use that because this is more firm. That one is kind of loose. And I'm breaking out like right here. I don't really need the pain, but I like to feel the pain. Baby, I can use a break, so we just might have to wait on. And if my music is loud, I'm sorry. I'm gonna put more foundation. I feel like I should put it like that. I don't wanna answer phone calls, fuck a text. I want your body here so I can show you what it's like. Love until it's alright. Cause it get deep when you go in. My body like a party, need a friend. You treat my body like your Barbie, you my king. I don't wanna answer phone calls, fuck a text. I want your body here so I can show you what. You wanna get it on your neck, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna enjoy it. So I think it's good. So I'm gonna use the same concealer I used. But this trick that I saw on TikTok, if they use like a really light concealer to do this area and here. Already put that. I wanted that to be straight, but whatever. They use like a really light concealer, and then like the darker concealer in the middle. But this is my LA Pro concealer in the shade Espresso, and I also need a name for this. The new songs are released. Like, I don't be like keeping up like that. We want to conceal your forehead, under your eyes, here, your chin, conceal right there. I kinda use this as contour. So I want a really bright under eye for this one.
Glow my baby, glow my baby. You man in your life, I need to show my baby. Only for plans me and feel my baby. Until me get me alright, me know your man, that's what I like you. To a woman I like. You see bump up the proper size, so back it up behind you. The slap it is mechanized. Snap a random picture, she pretty pan on the side. Mama squad, you skin clean, thick time.
I didn't wear it just because
6 years. You're turn on. Hear the voice note here, bro, God.
You see you, then I will stop till me somebody stop. Yeah, take your picture about me serious.
Joke thing at that point. My house too personal with the next girl on the side. Decides that she not walk on eye. You don't see a problem, me a try. Decides that she not walk on eye. You don't see a problem, me a try fight. And every time we broke up, she have a scissors with a knife. Hey, my girl just come look. Pure excitement, get a card up. I'm a long time girlfriend with the next girl on the side. Decides that she not walk on eye. You don't see a problem, me a try fight. And every time we broke up, she have a scissors with a knife. Hey.
Nothing could have changed us. Syndicate, the HW. It's up for my haters. No time for no failure. If I had to know how it pan, you know I go there and wait.
I use this for around to make a waterproof. I got this at Fiverr, but I had it for a long time. I like it because it's waterproof and
no matter where you do them, I go criticize. Let's start trying, man, I them say I. How we did I walk for them, so we broke it. I bread and make up, no mind that we the pan and wave. Don't hate cover up on no name. We the friend, we the right now, my chain. Till I come down, I'm chain.
this is what I just said for I don't like it. Skip a lot of stuff. The outer eyeliner, black, and basically what I do is I like the darker person.
So it hard for my trust. Now messy girl turn my heart in a rug. And know it hard for my love. Tell me home for blame. But you're there when me a drown in a pain.
And then we're gonna take this little wild lip liner in the shade Brandywine 666. That one. You're gonna just do the parts that you didn't use the black. And this doesn't really show up on my list because it's like the same colors on it. It looks a mess actually. But the space that you didn't use the black, you're gonna use this. It's cute. I'm gonna blend. You can use a Q-tip, but I normally just use the back of this. It doesn't take off much. When you use a Q-tip, it kind of takes off. And you can always go over and like clean up. See now? You could just put lip gloss now. You could use lip gloss now and then it will be done with. But what I do is I take the same concealer and I put it on my bottom lip. Normally I will use a Q-tip to blend out. You want to try to keep it in the same spot. But if it's like if it doesn't stay in the same spot, that's fine. But basically, figure she's asleep, so she said it's gonna help. I'm like, oh, nah, she gotta go. And then you do that, and kind of let things out. Understand? And kind of goes on the top part, but that's fine. And sometimes I'll go in with my cashmere demi matte or candy brand. This is from Dollar Tree. So don't sleep on Dollar Tree because I go to Dollar Tree. I mean, I haven't been there recently, but I go to Dollar Tree and I buy like I'll buy makeup, like lipstick and stuff from Dollar Tree. And then now it's time to add your lip gloss. I'm using my argan oil. Everybody knows this. Oh, this one is open. That one is new. So I'm gonna use the vitamin E. And you don't have to put a lot. You're done. Sexy. Just like that. You kind of see the Brandywine lip liner. You could kind of see it like a little purplish in it. That's cute. Some of the right. I'm gonna wipe my hands off. Alright. So that's the whole makeup look. You guys can check out my Instagram for like pictures and videos and stuff. You could probably check my highlight because by the time I post the video it's probably gonna be down. But make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. Share, subscribe. And let me know down in the comments like what other videos you guys want to see. Like if y'all don't give me ideas, that's when I go ghost and I don't post because y'all don't be giving me ideas. But I'm gonna show y'all the finished look up close and personal.